Hey, good evening, everybody. So I will be starting the asset accounting depreciation run. Okay, how to calculate the depreciation that I will start now. Test run. So asset creation and also asset posting also how to acquisition of the asset that we have done. So right now we can check the what is the balance and balance in the asset accounting that we can see just a minute. On that day we have created one asset. We created an acquired one asset acquisition of the asset, right? External that we F-90 we have done. Okay. Different option is there, but we have purchased the asset that is there. So we have to check in the balances in the GL. GL we can check the balances also. And also that same vendor is the same, actually. The same vendor we have utilized. Normally, the asset vendors are normally different. But for the example point of view, I have just shown it. So we can check it in the here also, general ledger, which one building account or whatever we have created on that before that. FS10N, you can see the balances. I think we have created, what is the company code? 7766. Vedanta 2021. Account number, building, that will check it. Which one we have to? The company code I have not given, I think so. What is one? Company code I had given. Sorry, here company code I have not given. 7066. No, 7766. 7766. I think we have created the plant and machinery. So 5 lakh plant and machinery we have purchased. That means on the last which date it was? Sunday, no? Yes. So we can run right now the depreciation run. Depreciation run. Depreciation normally critical sourcing. What else pending actually, that will check. Right. Posting period 2021. अच्छा, posting period 02. 02 means what is the February, na? Not. It is our posting period is the right now it is the 10th, na? Acha, fiscal year we have to set, I think. Posting period. Actually थोड़ा कॉल आ गया था। ये पोस्टिंग पीरियड प्लान पोस्टिंग यस no 02 coming around 11th na, so 11th period. Let us see test run. Asset number not required. Other options. Let us see and what it is saying. Okay. 1000 assets. Main asset number. You see here, test run completed successfully. ये टेस्ट रन है, इसको अगर पोस्टिंग करेंगे तो फिर ये पोस्ट हो सकता है. टेस्ट रन, it should be completed successfully and also no documents were created in the test run. टेस्ट रन में कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्रिएशन नहीं होता है. तो when will you post it, it will be depreciation account will be debited and your that asset account will be created, and whatever the relevant accounts the configured in the automatic posting, it will post. Okay. So we'll not to, you have seen this in this way. The test run, the basic purpose of the asset accounting is to run the depreciation and maintain the assets in the asset master, and any acquisition, any retirement, and anything is to be that you can. For more things, and you can practice also. So that I want to. I think retirement things will not do. Maybe sales and things we may do or we may not do, but you learn up to this only. Depreciation run should run successfully. That means to verify that your configurations are okay. So whatever configurations we have done till the asset accounting, it is okay right now. Asset accounting part. Okay. So I'll close it. If we want to post the transaction, we'll go back. So suppose for example we want to post it. We remove the test run. In case of posting, we have to remove the test run and it will post. Let us see. Right now I'll process it and it will automatically post. Achha. Background processing. We'll go to the background processing now. Okay. Periodic job though we have done it now. Specify the repetition period. Repetition period where by अच्छा ये 12 बजे ये होगा मेरे ख्याल से ये यूएस टाइमिंग दे रहा है आई थिंक 12 o'clock 26 तो यूएस टाइमिंग it is taking server, so we'll check it tomorrow. Let it do in the complete it in the background. We'll check it tomorrow. Okay. Practical guide is not defined. अच्छा German standard. We will not give German standard. We will give the Indian. Okay. Reward day. You have to feel all these things. Day. At the working day, it is 05. Yes, sorry, cancel. Go to the program here, execute in background. Okay, try. 60. On the road, yeah, background process. This has gone to the background process of scheduled. It is done. Okay. Right now we'll go back. So, SM37 is a transaction code for the checking the background processing. For anything background processing, you have to check this. Depreciation. Done. Okay. Execute. रजिस्ट हो गया क्या पेज रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो also matches the selection criteria. Should be starts at timing. So this is the steps, this is the steps, and it is always processed in the background. So when after the doing all this planned depreciation run, test run, then you have to do the actual run. When actual run, that will be actual run is done in the background processing in SAP. Those which jobs are the very important jobs, they are not immediately done. That is to the background processing only. So timing is already given. Let us see, and it is already scheduled, but it is not matching, and I will see and why it is not extended job selection. Depreciation wrong. So it is coming by star now. By default, I think it is star. You have to give the star. See. Start date is greater than job matches. We already scheduled. I think that is why it is not giving. It is already scheduled, and we'll check it after the execution after 9:30. So tomorrow we'll check it. Okay. So after doing this thing, and mostly things have done, but we can see some that is configuration. We have to check the fiscal year variant in the that things we can check it. Asset accounting is this much only up to this, but there are some other transactions are there that I will not teach it. You can do after the depreciation run. You can do all this transfer the same way, and you can do the transfer if there is any asset within company code, one company code to another company code. So you have to. So these are the some advanced things. There is no necessity to learn right now. These things you can do in the real time when up to depreciation run this much. The asset accounting basically a separate module. Actually, SAP, even SAP certification also, all these training institute give only the general ledger, account receivable, account payable, and reports and all these things. And controlling, some controlling, even controlling also they are not giving it. Controlling is a separate, even preliminary thing, but we are giving the preliminary things like cost centers and internal orders. Initial that is these things, primary cost elements. Primary cost elements are the basically nothing but the cost expenses. Some expenses, those expenses are already in GL accounts that will be created in the controlling area. Okay, so asset accounting is this much actually. So additional things you can do in the project if you are doing with us. So we'll not go beyond that. Retirement things, there is nothing retirement here in the training session. Only up to this. Retirement means when the asset has already used and become the obsolete. That means retirement. Okay. You can say F-92 with customer. That means retirement asset becomes old or obsolete. It will be sold. In that case, it is a retirement with some revenue. Suppose asset cost was the 5 lakh things, right? When it retired, it becomes a 50,000 or say 1 lakh rupees. Example I'm just giving. So that will be done with this thing. Then depreciation at that time, profit and all these things will be taken into account. So that these things will not discuss more, that you can do, but up to acquisition and depreciation run, you should have the very thorough. Other things gradually you can learn, because everything cannot be, taught suddenly and it becomes confused. You will be confused. ये post capitalization, that is no, there are so many things are there, but right now in the training session we cannot discuss everything. So your asset accounting has been finished, and some minor whatever things are the holding document and your parking document that we'll discuss, and also some other things about the risk report. Okay, so I'll actually there is some urgent work has come, so I'm stopping the class right now. So I'll take the class tomorrow. Okay, I'm ending the class now. So whatever we'll talk tomorrow, we'll discuss tomorrow the controlling area. That means which is a costing part actually. Okay. Hello. So tomorrow we'll discuss the controlling area and we'll discuss costing part, which is
Okay.
which are the small chapters. We'll finish it. You can start practicing the asset accounting. If there is any issue, you can message me. Okay. So right now I'm a little busy actually. So I'm just ending the class. Okay.